Hello, and welcome back to Only Social. In today's video, we will dive into setting up payment methods, currency formatting, tax and delivery charges, and login preferences for your store. If you haven't watched the previous parts, be sure to check them out to catch up. Let's get started. First, navigate to the checkout settings within your e-commerce store dashboard. Here, you will see an option to add payment methods by selecting Payment Integration. Only Social offers a variety of payment options, so you can choose whichever is most suitable for your business needs. For setting up PayPal, simply enter your PayPal email and enable the option. If you prefer using Paystack, you will need to enter both the Paystack secret key and the public key, similar to how you would set up Stripe. Next, let's move on to currency and formatting settings. You can change the currency using the drop-down list and adjust the formatting to suit your preferences. For example, if you need the currency symbol aligned to the right, common for certain currencies, you can configure it here. This is especially helpful for currencies where symbols traditionally appear on the right. You can also specify the number of decimal places and choose whether to include commas as thousand separators. After that, we'll configure tax and delivery charges. Ensure these settings are input correctly to keep customers informed about any additional costs, ensuring transparency during checkout. And lastly, you can enable guest login, allowing customers to make purchases without the need to create an account, enhancing the user experience for quick and easy checkouts. Once you are satisfied with all the settings, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. That's it for this part of the tutorial. Stay tuned for the next video, where we will show you how to configure the e-commerce builder. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Only Social.